Adding a texture layer over photographs can elevate their aesthetic appeal, giving depth and sophistication to otherwise flat imagery. How to create pattern overlays for photos. Open Photoshop and load your photograph onto a new document. Then create a separate layer above for your pattern overlay. Choose a previously defined pattern or create a new one by drawing shapes or textures in a square canvas. Fill the overlay layer with your pattern using Edit, Fill, Pattern, and adjust its scale to complement the photo composition. Change the overlay layer's blend mode to soft light, overlay, or multiply to integrate the pattern subtly.